Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I am dealing with 6th class maths, a new chapter, practical geometry. Geometry, mostly it deals with various shapes, including starting from point to triangles, hexagons, octagons. You are going to do different constructions. Of course, that big constructions you don't have. Mostly you'll be having line, segment, angles and all. So whatever is the minimum, but you should know what is the basic geometrical concept, and what are the various uh, instruments that you are using to continue with this chapter. So all of you must know a thorough knowledge about the names of various instruments that you are having in your compass box. So let us see one by one. Usually, in the geometry, the first one which you should know is about a point. What is the meaning of a point, children? Point means it is nothing but a dot which represents a position, I can say. A position. Usually it is indicated by it is indicated by a capital letter. See, I have kept it like this. This is a point. Let me indicate it by A. Or I can keep a point and name it as P. Anything. But you should put them in capital letters. This is the representation. Next, we go to a line. What is a line? A line is a straight line which has no ending. Arrow this side, it continues. Arrow this side, it continues. So it is a line is nothing but a representation of we will call it as a line only. We have a definition which does not have a representation which extends on both the sides. You can write like this: a representation which extends on both the sides. It is denoted by either two capitals or by small letters. How is it? So, if I name this as X and Y, it is a line segment. I can write it as XY. You can represent, or you can even just call it as L. So I will call it as a line L. A line L. Anyway, I can represent it. Okay. Now, line segment. What is the line segment? It is a part of a line. A part of a line it is, and it has two end points. It has two end points. Hence, also we can measure it. So, we can measure a, a line segment. It is indicated by two capitals, capital letters. See, how will you do it? Capital letters. See, I can draw a, a line segment naming this as P and Q. So how am I going to represent it? PQ. A line, a representation like this indicates that it is a line segment. A representation with two arrows indicates that it is a line. Apart from that, you need to know what are the instruments that you are having. Instruments that are used to write, to draw the various figures. First one is a scale. Of course, you know about a scale. A scale is having, you know, that the measurements that it is divided into, on one side you can see it is divided into uh, centimeters, 1 2 3 so on. Each centimeter is further divided into 10 equal parts. So this kind of measurement instrument that we use is a scale. Apart from the scale, you have got divider. What is this divider? This instrument is called as a divider, which is having, see, two, what you can say, these are all the two needles like pins. What for it is used? It is used to measure the length of a line segment, or you can even draw a line segment by using it. A line segment is given to you and there is no scale to measure. They have not given any measurement, just a line segment, and they ask you to draw the line segment by using proper instrument. Then we have to use the divider, and you have to keep the divider in such a way that the two ends of this needles touch. See, pointers we call them. These two pointers should touch each other. So this is the length of the line segment. If you press it like this upon your paper, you will be getting two holes. So just keep those two holes as the 2 points and join them. You will be getting the same line segment which is given to you. So this is the instrument which is used to either draw a line segment, or it is also used to measure the length of the line segment. See, I have kept the two, I have kept it pointers like this. Now I have got this. So what is this measure? What can I do? I can keep it upon the scale. This is 0. So from 0, if I keep it, I have come to know that it is 4 centimeters. I could see that this is 4 centimeters it is measuring. That means what? The line segment that is given to us is a 4 centimeters line segment. So that you can understand by using the divider. This divider is used for those purposes. One is what? One is to measure a given line segment, or the second one is to construct a line segment which is having the equal measure of a given line segment if the length of the line segment is not given to you. Just to press it, you will be getting the same measure. So this is called a divider, and after the divider you have got a third instrument that is called as compass. What is a compass? This is a compass. This is called as compass. In your instrument box, you will be having this, children. You will keep pencil here, and you fit it, and what you need to do is you keep it upon the straight surface upon your table and fix it in such a way that this pointer and the edge of your pencil will lie on a straight line. Then only the instrument can be used properly. If you keep it a little bit low, or if you keep it lengthier than this needle, you don't get the proper construction. So to keep a pencil upon it also should be done very carefully. And what for we are using this? We use this instrument to draw a line segment with the given measure. Suppose they have asked you to draw a 4 centimeters line segment. You will be draw a line and take a point. This pointer, first what you do, you will extend it to measure. Say 4 centimeters line segment means you have to extend it to measure 4 centimeters. So I have got this is the measure of 4 centimeters. Then upon the point I should keep the pointer and cut an arc like this. I'm going to do it now, children. Then you will be getting a particular line segment measure. So this is called compass. It is used to draw arcs with certain radius according to the problem given to you, and also it is used to draw the circle with the given radius. Okay, now this is this one. Next you have got the other instrument which is called as protractor. This is called protractor. What for it is used? This instrument is used to draw angles. Say in this protractor, if you observe, if you open your compass box and take the protractor, if you observe, see from 0 to 180 here, and again from 0 to 180 here. So you will pay, don't get confused which 0 I have to take while measuring. It depends upon where did you keep this center point. This center point is there, no? This is the point where upon a line segment you have to keep this. In which side you have kept? There is a, suppose the line segment is here. You have kept at it, this edge. Then from here 0, 10, 20, you have to count angle like this. Suppose you are keeping a line segment at this side. The line segment extends in this side. Then this 0 you have to take and you have to measure the angles like this. So in which 0 you are going to take depends upon the line segment, children. See, for example, I'm drawing a line segment here. So suppose if I take this here, so see, this is ending here. So I should take this 0 and 40 degrees, 50 degrees, I should take a point here and join. Suppose I am taking this. Then where is this? See, the line is extending this side. So I should take 0 here, 0, 10, 20 like this I have to take. So this is the one which is called protractor, which we are using to draw the angles. And the next one, you are going to have fifth point, set squares. They are called set squares. So what are set squares? See, children, if you open your compass box and say, you will be getting two instruments in this way. These are the two instruments. These are called as set squares. So these set squares are used either to draw a perpendicular line 90 degrees. See, this is 90 degrees. And also if you use this, this is 90 degrees. And in your, mostly in your higher classes, you will use these instruments, children. Mostly we use these instruments to draw the parallel lines. That you will be mostly learning in the higher classes. Just you should know the names of various instruments that are available in your compass box. So what I hope I am clear, children. I have shown you the instruments. These two are called set squares. Instrument is called as a divider, and this instrument is called as a compass, and this is an instrument which you call it as a scale. So these are the various instruments that you are getting in your compass box. So the names and their usage I have told you. Now when we are dealing with constructions, we are going to use few of these, because you are in 6th standard, you don't use many, but you should know the names of the instruments, children. So please note it down. This is an introductory class. Please note it down, children. Now the next part here, children. Construction of a line segment by using ruler or compass. So if it is by using a ruler, what is the problem here, children? The problem is construct a line segment AB 7.8 centimeters. So a 7.8 centimeter line segment should be drawn by using the ruler as well as by using compass. So let us see by using the ruler. By using the ruler means scale. What you have to do? You have to put a scale like this, and at 0 you have to locate a point, and 7.8, 7 after 7, 8 digits afterwards. So 7.5, 6, 7, 8. So 7.8 is somewhere here you are locating. So this is A, this is B. If you join these two, you are going to get a line segment AB 7.8 centimeters. So, what are the steps that you have taken for this first one? Steps. First point is locate a point A. Then what is the second point? You have to locate a point B at 7.8 centimeters away from A. Then what is the third point? Join AB. Fourth point, AB is the required line segment. So these are the steps that you will use. You will write when you are drawing a line segment by using a ruler. Now, second point, how to draw a line segment by using a compass. If you are drawing a line segment by using compass, first what you have to do, you have to draw a line. Without measuring, just a line you have to draw, a line L. Then locate a point A here. Now, what you need to do is, you have to take a compass and extend the compass up to 7.8 centimeters. So, this is 7.8 centimeters which I have got by using the scale. I have kept this at 0 and I have extended it till I reach 7.8. Now what I have to do? I have to keep the needle here, the pointer here, and I should cut an arc like this upon it. This point is called as B. AB is 7.8 centimeters. So, what are the steps that you have done here? First one, draw a line L. You have drawn a line L. Second point, locate a point A on line L. Then third point, A as center, 7.8 centimeters as radius. This is called as radius, children. 7.8 I have taken. No, this measure is called as radius. Why do you call it as a radius? If you keep this pointer at one point and draw a circle, you are going to get a circle completely with the radius 7.8. So whatever is the measure that you are extending it, we call it as radius. So what I said, A as center, 7.8 centimeters as radius, cut an arc on L at B. See, you have cut an arc on L. Why am I writing cut? Because you are drawing this arc upon a line segment. So this arc is cutting the line segment. Line upon a line you are drawing an arc. The arc is cutting the line. That is why you are writing cut an arc. Suppose you are drawing arc first, then you will write only draw an arc. So your construction steps depends upon how did you do. Remember one thing, children, when you are writing the construction steps, you should write the steps so clearly that a person who doesn't know anything how to draw, when they follow your steps one by one, he should get the construction. Those are all the steps, not the ones which you write a big literature, a big paragraph is not at all necessary. Your construction steps should be point wise, short, and they should actually, I can say that short and sweet. Why? Because the people can understand, and when they use your points, definitely they will get a construction steps. That you should keep it in mind, because right from your sixth class at present till your 10th class, your constructions will be there in your mathematics. Have a thorough knowledge about the things. If your basic is very good, you will enjoy doing the constructions as you are proceeding your classes. Okay, now you see, children, A as center, 7.8 centimeters as radius, cut an arc on line L at B. And the fourth point is what? See, already you have got AB. We'll directly write AB is the required line segment. That's all, children. So, two kinds of constructions I have mentioned here. Constructing a line segment by using a ruler and by using a compass. Please have a thorough knowledge about it, children. Please write down. Now, we will say exercise 13.1. In 13.1, first one, construct a line segment 6.9 centimeters using a ruler and a compass. So again, a ruler and a compass means, as I said earlier, first you have to draw a line. This is a line L, and they didn't mention any name, so we can write it as A and B. I took a point A upon it, and how much? 6.9 centimeters. So this measure is 6.9 centimeters. So A as a center, 6.9 centimeters. I should draw an arc. So this is B. So AB is 6.9 centimeters. So what are the steps that you are writing? Steps, children. First one, draw a line L. Second one, locate a point A on the line L. Then third point, A as center, 6.9 centimeters as radius, cut an arc on the line L at B. And fourth point, AB, I can write like this. AB is the required line segment. So this is first problem, children. Now I have space. Let me do the second problem also. Second problem, construct a line segment. Construct a line segment of length 4.3 centimeters using ruler. He is asking only to use a ruler and draw 4.3 centimeters. So what are you drawing? First you are keeping a point A at 0 and 4.3 centimeters. So these two are A and B. You have to join AB. So AB 4.3 centimeters. So this is the line segment that you have drawn, children. 4.3 centimeters. So what are the steps that you will write here? First one, locate a point A. Second one, locate a point B 4.3 centimeters away from A. And third one, join AB. And fourth one, AB is the required line segment. So these are the two problems that I have drawn here, children. I have done. Please note it down. First and second problems of 13.1 exercise. With this, I am concluding my part today, children. Next part I will be doing in the next class.